Did I just spend the last 4 months of my life struggling to grow these out? Yes, I did. Did I also wake up this morning and decide that I was finally gonna get micro bangs again? The answer is also yes. Look at this, some growth on here. I want to cut them so that my eyebrows are still showing and like you get like a little bit nervous. I don't know, these fucking things, I thought they'd be cute. I thought curtain bangs would be the move, but they're just irritating, you know? They're just like, you know? So yeah. All right, let's see. God, why do I do this? I literally just spent 4 months growing these fuckers out. Monkey brain says good idea. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Nice, no, you straggler. There we go. Okay, let's go like this. And then out. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Maybe. Nice. Okay, we're getting somewhere. No, we're good, but let's see. I don't know, I've just been really bored with my look lately. Normally I would just dye my hair. You know, when I get bored, I'll just dye it like a fun color. And dye is so much less stressful. Oh, okay, you know that dude from like the Three Stooges is like, what's his name? I have to look that up later. This is not the approved hairdresser technique, in case you couldn't tell. Okay, chop. Trim these little bastards off. Okay. Wait a second. Here's the thing, these aren't supposed to be cute. They're gonna be like a little bit like fucked up and punky because I'm really fucking bored with my look. Wait. Okay, my picture of dried. Those are kind of cute. You're like, no. I'm like, yes. You need to be shorter. Hoping these look good with like dark brown hair because last time I had the micro bangs, they were bright pink. And they just gave off like, I don't know, cool girl vibes, I guess. I thought it was cool. Nobody else did. Okay. I don't hate these. I knew I wasn't gonna hate them, but like I was a little nervous. I was like, you know, when you cut your own hair. Let's see. Let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, I'm gonna wait for these to dry and then see if we need to trim anywhere else. You know what I might do? I almost just want to like shave or like clip just like the sides, like underneath this top layer. I just want to like, you know, like all this off. So then when it's pulled back, it's like the line of hair is like straight. I'm excited for these. I like these. These are cute. Subscribe. Bye.